Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Here A is equal to 1.5 meter. To calculate the tension in each cable and the reaction at the A, we need to first of all draw the free body diagram for the beam to identify the forces. And you can see in the diagram we have five unknowns: TBE, TBD, RAX, RAY and RAZ. So first of all, let's write the coordinator of the points are basically A is equal to origin 0, 0, 0, B is equal to 0, 3, 0, C is equal to 0, 6, 0, D is equal to 1.50 minus 3, E is equal to 1.503, and F is equal to minus 1.502. Now apply the equilibrium equation. So first step is we need to locate each point with respect to A. So for this we can write RBA is equal to 0I plus 3J plus 0K meter. RCA is equal to 0I plus 6J plus 0K meter. The line BD is equal to 1.5I minus 3J minus 3K. And if we are going to find out the magnitude of this BD, then it will be equivalent to square root of 1.5 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 3 square, which gives the answer 4.5 meter. Similarly, line BE is equal to 1.5I minus 3J plus 3K, and the magnitude of BE in same manner we can find out, which will be equivalent to 4.5 meter. Now the next, line CF is equal to minus 1.5I minus 6J plus 2K, and magnitude of CF will be equivalent to 6.5 meter. Now we can find the TBD as, so TBD is equal to TBD times line BD over magnitude BD, which gives the answer TBD upon magnitude is 4.5, and the line BD is equal to 1.5 I minus 3J minus 3K. So the same way we can find TBE, which is equivalent to TBE upon magnitude of BE, which is 4.5, into line BE, which is 1.5 I minus 3J plus 3K, and TCF. So TCF is equal to TCF, which is 455 already given, divided by magnitude of CF, which is 6.5, and the line CF is minus 1.5 I minus 6J plus 2K. Okay. Now in the next step, we know the sigma MA is equal to sigma R cross F is equal to 0. So here we are going to take the cross product of R and F, as we are having R over here, RBA and RCA, and the F are TBE, TBD, and TCF. So all the equations we are having, and we are going to take the cross product. And so the cross product of these two, which give the final answer, is minus TBE K plus 2TBEI minus TBDK minus 2TBDI plus 630K plus 840I is equal to 0. Now moving further, sigma m is equal to 0 about each coordinate. So we can equate the coefficient of ijk to 0. So let's start with the I component. So here in this equation we will find the I component, which are, we know, 2BE. This is the I component. Another one is 2BD minus 2BD. This is the I component. And 840, this one is also I component. So we are going to equating this all I components to 0, which gives the answer 2TBE minus 2TBD plus 840 is equal to 0. So we will have TBE minus TBD plus 420 is equal to 0. As we have divided this whole equation by 2. Now similarly, let's equate the K component. So I'm writing it directly. So the K components are minus TBE minus TBD and 630 is equal to 0. Let's say this one as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we can get the answer minus 2TBD plus 1050 is equal to 0. So we have TBD is equal to 525 Newton, and so we can get TBE by putting this value in the above equation is 105 Newton. Now as we know, the sigma fx is equal to 0. So here we are going to sum of all the forces which are acting in the x direction, which is nothing but Rax plus 1.5 upon 4.5 TBE plus 1.5 upon 4.5 TBD minus 105 is equal to 0. Okay, so from this equation and by putting all the values, we are able to get Rax is equal to minus 105 Newton. Now the same way, let's do it for the y direction. So I can write sigma Fy is equal to 0 is equal to Ray minus 3 upon 4.5 TBE minus 3 upon 4.5 TBD minus 420. And by putting all the values here, we will get Ray is equal to 840 Newton. And in the last step, similarly, we can compare all the forces in the z direction to the 0. So I can write sigma fz is equal to 0 is equal to raz plus 3 upon 4.5 tbe minus 3 upon 4.5 tbd plus 140, and by putting the values we are able to get raz is equal to 140 Newton. And in the last, as we know the equation, Ra is equal to sum of Raxi plus Rayj plus Razk. Now we are having all these Rax, Ay and Az. So let's put the value here. So that will be equivalent to 105I plus 840J plus 140K. So this one will be our Ra.